Want to be AI expert? Andrew Ng, one of the world's leading AI experts, recommends these 5 must-read books. Andrew Ng is an artificial intelligence AI expert, founder of Coursera, and former head of Google Brain. He's also known as a professor at Stanford University and one of the leading figures in the machine learning revolution. Ng has made significant contributions to the development of deep learning and AI, advocating for its application in various industries. Additionally, he has written books and created online courses that have helped millions understand AI technology, with a vision that AI can improve human lives and continues to advance research and innovation in artificial intelligence for a better future. Here are 5 books recommended by Andrew Ng. Number 1, Human Compatible by Stuart Russell explores the risks of uncontrolled artificial intelligence and how AI must be designed to remain aligned with human interests. Russell explains that without proper preventive measures, AI could become a serious threat to humanity. This book discusses the concept of AI that can understand and follow human values, rather than just obeying commands. With an ethical and strategic approach, Russell emphasizes the importance of developing AI that is safe, responsible, and does not endanger human civilization in the future. Number 2, Life 3.0 by Max Tegmark explores how superintelligent artificial intelligence will shape the future of humanity. The book discusses various scenarios on how AI could transform jobs, the economy, politics, and even human existence itself. Tegmark explains the differences between biological and digital life and how AI can evolve without limits. He also highlights the ethical and technical challenges in ensuring AI develops in a way that benefits humanity. This book encourages readers to understand and prepare for an era where AI plays a dominant role in our lives. Number 3, The Master Algorithm by Pedro Domingos unveils the search for the ultimate algorithm that can learn and solve various types of problems automatically. The book explains the 5 main approaches in machine learning: symbolists, connectionists, evolutionaries, Bayesians, and analogizers, and how they can be combined to create a more intelligent AI. Domingos highlights how this algorithm will transform various aspects of life, from business to science. Written in an accessible style, this book provides insights into the evolution of machine learning and the future of AI technology. Number 4, Superintelligence by Bostrom explores the potential of artificial intelligence surpassing human intelligence and the risks that come with it. The book examines various paths AI could take towards superintelligence and its impact on civilization. Bostrom highlights scenarios where AI could become an if not properly controlled. He also discusses strategies to ensure AI remains aligned with human interests. With a philosophical and technological approach, this book encourages readers to understand the major challenges humanity faces in developing safe and responsible AI. Number 5, 0 to 1 by Peter Thiel explores how to build truly innovative ideas rather than merely copying existing ones. Thiel emphasizes that great success comes from creating something unique and revolutionary. This book teaches independent thinking, business strategies, and how to identify and leverage hidden opportunities. Thiel also shares insights on building successful startups and creating monopolies in the market. With a practical approach and visionary thinking, this book serves as a guide for entrepreneurs and innovators who want to shape the future of business and technology. Which book will you read first? The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing. Albert Einstein. Give a like, comment, share, and subscribe for more video like this.